In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta AI Video Generator. This tool is a cutting-edge feature by Meta, perfect for creating dynamic and engaging videos using artificial intelligence. So let's dive right in and explore how you can start creating your own AI-powered videos. First, you'll want to access the tool. Head over to the AI Video Generator page on Meta's website at metas.ai. Alternatively, you can open the Meta AI app and look for the Videos or Vibes feed. Do note that this feature is being rolled out in some regions, so make sure you're signed in with your Meta, Facebook, or Instagram account and that it's available in your area. Now, there are several ways you can input what you want to generate. The first method is through a text prompt. Here, you simply describe what you want the video to display. For instance, you could input something like a futuristic city skyline at dusk, flying cars zooming, neon lights, gentle rain. The AI will interpret your description to create a video that matches your vision. Another method is by uploading or selecting visuals. Some tools allow you to start with existing photos or short video clips, which you can then animate or transform into something unique. Perhaps the most interactive method is to remix existing videos from the Vibes feed. You can choose a video created by someone else and tap Remix to alter the music, style, or visuals to suit your preferences. Once you've chosen your input method, the next step is setting the style or parameters for your video. Depending on what's available, you might be able to select the duration, resolution, or even the style of the video, whether you want it to be cartoonish, realistic, or have a vintage vibe. If you're remixing a video, you might want to change the audio, adjust filters, tweak the pacing, or add text overlays or effects. Always preview your video to see how it looks. If it's not quite right, don't hesitate to go back and make edits, tweak your prompt, or change the style as needed, and regenerate until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, when your video is just how you like it, it's time to download and share your creation. Remember to check the download for any watermarks or usage rights, especially if you plan to share it widely. You can also share the video directly to social media platforms such as Instagram Reels or Facebook Stories, or share it within the Meta AI Vibes feed for others to see. For transparency, it's a good idea to indicate that the video was AI generated and to adhere to any policies Meta might have regarding shared content. And there you have it. You're now ready to start creating your own videos with the Meta AI Video Generator. Whether you're creating videos for personal enjoyment, business, or to share with friends, this tool offers a fantastic way to explore your creativity with the help of artificial intelligence. Happy creating!